Hi guys, Four Season Bros here, and in today's video I'll be unboxing the brand new CKX Titan. This is the 2020 model, and it's the green/blue matte helmet. So same color as my shirt and same color as my new sled, a Summit SP 850. So we'll be showing you guys that in other videos as well. So we'll start unboxing this. So first off, we've got the helmet. There you have it. Those colors are gonna match well with my sled. Exactly the same as my hoodie right now. So there you have it. The blue and green. We've got the modular part. So actually we need to remove the goggle part first. So you pull it over the top, clip it on the side here, right there, and then you would take the modular part off. So on the box it actually says that this helmet is ready for trail riding and not mountain sledding. So what I mean by this is they have two goggles in this kit. So we've got the backcountry goggles and we've got the trail goggles. So the only difference is that the backcountry goggles have an adjustable vent here on the top, so you can let air in or out, more ventilation, and these ones are sealed all around. So I'm not sure how we'll set up that, maybe in another video, set it up for the backcountry use. We'll do that. And we'll keep going through the accessories right now. So what do we have here? So in this bag we've got extra clips for the extra screws, I mean, for the top here in case you might lose one on the trail, and same thing, so we've got some for the side as well. And here we have a camera. So they call it a safety cable for an action cam. So if you're putting a GoPro on the top here, if you're mounting a GoPro, you can attach this to it so you don't lose your GoPro. This is a cool little feature that can save you a couple $100, especially with the new GoPros. And here we've got some filters if you want to make it more for backcountry use than trail riding. You would take this off here and you could put these ones. There's a little vent here if you can see. More spots for more airflow going through there. And same thing with this. I would believe that this is for the backcountry use, so we would have to set this up on the goggles for the backcountry use as well. I'm not 100% sure, but I can confirm that in other videos while we'll be setting up the CKX Titan for backcountry use. And in the box we also have the manual, so explaining how to do the changes. And here we have some procedures for taking off and installing the face guards. So there you have it, guys. You have the CKX Titan. Might as well put it on for you guys, see how it looks. Well, there you go, you've got a little protection film on here. Might as well take it off the goggles right now. So you've got one there, and you've got one inside as well. This one's a little tricky to take off, but we'll get it for sure. There you go. Coming apart now. This one's tricky. There you go. Now we've got the trail goggles ready to go. So I'll put the modular part first. and then you would have the goggles. There you go. Nice fit. This one's a large helmet. And there you have it. You also have the 3 + 2 year extended warranty if you go register the helmet on the CKX website. So you can check that out as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing video of the helmet. Next one, we might be showing you the new snowmobile, the Summit SP, and the how to install and prepare the helmet for backcountry use. So we'll be taking off the filters and putting the ones with more airflow. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. See you later.